This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite split screen on PS5. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 console is powered on and connected to your television, along with a stable internet connection of at least 25 megabits per second. Then, simply turn on your second DualSense controller, making sure it is fully charged and already paired with your console for seamless connectivity. Once both controllers are active, launch the Fortnite game application from your PlayStation 5 dashboard. With the game open, the second player needs to log in using their own PlayStation Network account or a convenient guest profile. Simply press the PlayStation button on the second DualSense controller to bring up the quick menu on your screen. From there, select your existing profile or create a new guest account, which will automatically register the second player and display a prompt to join the game. This crucial step links the second controller to a specific in-game identity. Once both players are logged in and visible within the Fortnite lobby, the second player must hold down the X button on their controller. This action activates split-screen mode, and you will see both character models appear side by side on your television, confirming readiness. Ensure both players are present and accounted for before proceeding to the next step. Then, simply select your desired game mode, like duos or squads, to jump into a match with your partner. While playing in split screen, most core Fortnite game modes are supported, allowing you to share the fun with a friend. Be aware that the game might experience a slight reduction in graphical fidelity or frame rate, typically running around 60 frames per second, as the console renders two perspectives simultaneously. For the smoothest experience, always maintain a strong and reliable internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second, to minimize latency and ensure uninterrupted gameplay. Enjoy battling it out together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.